Welcome to Mufa Tech Solutions. Presenting our IoT-based spy robot with object detection and wireless video surveillance. Powered by an ESP32 and L298N motor driver, it uses dual-gear motors and lithium-ion batteries for smooth, wireless movement. A V380 Pro Wi-Fi camera streams live video to your phone, while the HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor detects obstacles in real time. Ideal for remote security, smart surveillance, and patrol missions. Stay tuned for more innovations from Mufa Tech Solutions. Let's see the working of the project.